In the spirit of celebrating India with its Independence Day, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind, such chants are heard every year, especially on the streets in New York also. Earlier, there was only one big India Day parade organized by FIA in Manhattan. Now we have two more parades being organized every year in Long Island as well as in Queens. This year, FIA would not be hosting the Mega India Day parade due to COVID-19 restrictions. There will be hoisting of Indian flag at Times Square and several other events including lighting of Empire State Building and also a cruise to mark this special day. But for now, let's go to Long Island. And India Day Parade at Long Island will be happening on 8th August. This year, President to organize this parade is Deepak Bansal. He and his team are full of enthusiasm and love for India and making it a big success with Grand Marshals and other dignitaries. Here are some highlights from the press conference organized to share what to expect in this India Day Parade at Hicksville.
इंडिया डे परेड की सभी हमारी तैयारी जो है मुकम्मल हो चुकी हैं. सो वी requesting everyone to join our India Day parade on August 8, which is going to start from Patel Brother at 1 p.m. and going to end up on opposite of Asamai Temple in Hicksville. Please come and enjoy and bring your kids too. We have a lot of performances, stage performances and free games and rides for the kids. So please come and join with us. Thank you.
हाँ नमस्कार, जगदीश सेवानी. बड़े फ़ख्र की बात है कि 8 अगस्त को न्यूयॉर्क में परेड हो रहा है लॉन्ग आइलैंड में. सब लोग आइए 1 बजे. इट्स अ ग्रेट डे फॉर इंडियन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी एंड द बिगनिंग ऑफ 75th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ इंडियाज़ इंडिपेंडेंस डे. all of us must join and make it a huge success. नमस्कार.
आप सबको मेरा जसबीर जय सिंह का और एंडी भसीन का नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
और आज हम इंडिया डे परेड की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए यहाँ मिंट रेस्टोरेंट में इकट्ठे हुए हैं. इंडिया डे परेड लॉन्ग आइलैंड में जो होने वाली है, न्यूयॉर्क की ओनली परेड है जो कि अगस्त 8 संडे को दोपहर 1 बजे फ्लैग ऑफ होएगी पटेल ब्रदर से, हिक्सविल से, और ये आसामाई मंदिर तक जाएगी. और वहाँ पे हमारे बहुत सारे कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स हैं. आप आइए, एंजॉय कीजिए. उसके अलावा हमारे बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स हैं खाने के, ख़रीदने के. बच्चों के लिए बहुत सी राइड्स हैं और बच्चों के लिए खाने पीने का बहुत बंदोबस्त है. उसके अलावा आप $20 की रेफल टिकट ख़रीद के कार घर लेके जा सकते हैं. बाई चांस अगर कार नहीं भी आती है तो और बहुत सारे हमारे पास इनाम हैं. आइए, जीतिए और इनाम घर लेके जाइए. वील वेट फॉर यू ऑन August 8. हमारे साथ सारा दिन मनाइए.
Good evening. We are here today at the press conference in Long Island, and we are gathered here today for the India Independence Day celebration. This year, it is very important for us to celebrate the Independence Day of India, being the 75th year of celebration for India. And we'll be celebrating this in Hicksville. The parade would be starting from Patel Brothers, and we'll be walking down the road on Broadway and ending the parade at Asamai Temple. So please join with us on August 8th at 1 p.m. to celebrate the India's Independence Day and the 75th Independence Day of India. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Jay Sarkar. I'm the Grand Marshal for the India Independence Day. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Nori. I'm very happy to be here today at the press function of India Day Parade of Hicksville. And I'm extremely pleased that Hicksville started having these India Day parades Thanks to Bobby and Kamalesh. I'm also very privileged to be one of the guest of honors this year. And these functions are very important because India is one of the greatest democracies, the biggest democracies, and we have excelled in every field, in medicine, technology, IT, everything. Every field we have excelled. So it's important for us to show to the world Indian identity through these parades, and I'm going to certainly participate in the parade, the 1 mile ride on Broadway. And I would like to thank Kamalesh, Mr. Bansal and Bobby for selecting me as one of the guests of honors. Have a wonderful time, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mukesh Modi. I would like to invite everyone to come and join India Day Parade, which start on August 8th. It's one of the grand parade. It's going to start from the Patel Brothers. Please, everyone come and join. There's a lot of fun. I would like to also thank you to ITV viewers and ITV channel to participate and to support India Day Parade. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Kamlesh Mehta, one of the founder of India Day Parade on Long Island. Today we are here in Mint for a press conference where we are going to announce all the program of July 8th. We are very happy to say that this event in New York State, this parade will be one of a kind. After the pandemic, all the restrictions we have, this parade will bypass all those things, and it will be a great event where all the community can come together and enjoy the celebration of India Day, the 75th of Indian Independence Day, with all of other community members. The best part of IDP is that they have created a platform where all the different communities from India has come together, and they have playing a role of unifier. And I also want to thank Parikh World Media for their support to the IDP. Thank you to Dr. Parikh, and thank you to ITV Gold. Thank you.